video. Right now, y'all, DJ made it down here. So we about to do his brakes. His rotors and brakes, and I think AJ finna pull up as well. So we got 2 cars we finna do today, and I'm getting dirty today. So I'm gonna end up setting y'all up. I got a camera. I got my team outside today. The last video they left me by myself. But make sure y'all like,
left him by himself. Don't believe this man.
Here you go. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. There'll be a lot of action. Day in life, we're getting another daily vlog of what we are together, what we do. Stay tuned. DJ might give y'all some footage, get some driving footage, downshifting, the exhaust clips. I don't know. We gonna do everything we could do on broad here. So stay tuned. I guess when we get everything set up, I'll turn the camera back on. And give me 2 seconds. Alright, y'all got me in the camera. Look at him already getting shit stuck in it. Hey man, what you doing?
Shit, ain't my motherfucking fault.
Hey man, what you doing, man?
My fault.
Well, we about to be lit this video, man. They playing with the views. They playing, bro. That's all good. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm about to try to get the piece for the camera so I can put this in on so y'all can see, and I ain't gotta keep stopping and whatever, so y'all can fully get to see us mess up. So I'm just trolling. But, yeah, I don't know. But y'all see his tint? Like that shit's like bluish black. When the sun hit it, that thing is hard. So y'all know that's DJ whip. It's right there. Yeah. And y'all already know this is not that regular G, it's the S thing. You feel me? So. And you still taking that off? Yeah, but a little nice spoiler on this thing. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I ain't even gonna lie though. I gotta get me and AJ gotta get lifters for these jeans, cause that jean got it clicking and shit. So that's what I gotta do for this jean. So I ain't really driving that jean too. I get that jean fixed, cause I ain't trying to damage my camshafts and all of that. So yeah, and then y'all know that slow thing right there, that fast thing right there. I guess he ended up getting it off. Damn, Rook. Take over 3 hours. He was just pressing me to take it off. It take over 3 hours. But the rotors messed up though. It's ready to get changed.
Yeah, like, I know I got the back ones changed not too long ago, so that doesn't look as bad as that. But like, even on top of it,
yeah. You want some gloves, bro?
I don't fucking wear gloves, bro.
Oh, but yeah, these the new brakes and stuff he putting on when we had it. So y'all see these the little sliding joints. So he gonna slide it on these joints. I think these the back ones. Yeah, these the front right here. So y'all can see. Yeah, focus this shit right here. Yeah, these the front joints. So and then he going with power stop. So we're about to start this, and then I turn it for real. Once we get everything off, then I'll turn y'all back on once AJ and stuff pull up too. So stay tuned. So we had to take a little break because we needed to go get a socket. We had to go to the store for the socket, and your boy poured up. So I think he about to take the caliber thing off now, and then he about to change his brakes, as I told y'all already. So he about to change his brakes. I think y'all know we had to come back to his. If y'all was tuned into the videos, y'all know that we couldn't take it off because we needed the 17. So we got the 17. We got a 22 for a DJ car. So now I'm gonna probably end up setting the camera. So I probably set everything up and let y'all be able to see and experience it with us. So I turn y'all back on in 1 second. What's good, y'all?
So you about to change your brakes for all your car? I mean, all your
The same thing. I need it.
No, I'll put them close up.
I need any time soon.
No.
Oh, yeah, I got no document.
So you just probably put the wheel on too. You'll see it get put back in.
Yeah.
Hey, the camera, but god damn. Hey, see? Can we just have a normal day. Like,
Not with
it's
me,
been
man.
2 days. Ace.
Oh, where the new one at?
It should be over
Hey, where
there.
that brush at so I could get some of this corrosion off?
Yeah, bro, you have to
Hey,
go.
and we got glue too. I mean, the little G for the when we put the new pads on.
This bitch heavy.
The one in the brake light kept coming off.
I need that brush though.
You run a whole box.
Oh wait, it might be the other one. It was falling off. Hold on.
No, it's that one. That's
Oh, the brake pads and stuff?
Yeah,
Oh.
and I was looking for the.
My man.
Oh, the cleaning stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, is it this?
Yeah, that right there. I need it. Yeah, they don't need it right now. Hey, but you get him new pins too. You go actually
I need this thing so I can strip some of this corrosion.
give him the brush. The brush to clean it. When you be cleaning your calipers and shit, the little brush like that. Alright, y'all. So, y'all see we got this rotor and some lubricant. This busy. But as y'all can see, he upgraded to the slotted power stock brakes. Yeah, I already showed y'all. This is the power stock here for his. So. Yeah, I got this man. I think he changed his too, but
Oh, did you get that wheel stud jump for your jump? So we could change that jump out? We could probably just go grab that jump once we done with this. Cause we gotta get that jump down for you, bro. I care about your safety.
I'll get one.
But no, don't just get one. Just get one bolt. Just get one bolt.
You needed one sub. No, it's two, right? Cause the other one broke.
Yeah, two. Just get two. Just get two, bro. Save your money. Alright, but don't come through here acting tired of it. You got enough space, man.
If y'all want to know, it's the mechanic. He the one that be modding our cars for us.
Not me, man.
He the one that's modding, but he the one that's putting the headers on. He the one that's putting everything on, but damn, but that's a little.
That jump clean, bro.
That shit look clean.
That's what I call quality right here.
Rotors that actually fit too. Cause I saw the other ones, those ones did look OC big.
You need to drink this one?
Oh, we should probably take that sticker off when we get a chance.
21, 22 too.
Yeah, he need that thing.
I'm telling you.
Nah, I need that stuff.
What's in it?
I don't know, but you gotta use it, right?
No.
Oh, you talking about the ratchet?
Yeah. No, I'm talking about the ratchet. Alright, let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, he got the ratchet on.
Yeah, I think he's done. This ain't no sponsorship, but if you're gonna upgrade your brakes, go power
Go
stop.
back a bit.
If you ain't gonna use, if you gonna do it, this ain't no sponsorship, but power stop is the one. Alright, y'all. He's getting dirty out here. I'm working today.
Right? So everybody got slotted rotors but me. He had to keep up with y'all.
Nah, AJ still waiting. He ain't by his yet for his challenger.
You got a slotted rotors for Challenger? You don't got slotted rotors for your Challenger?
I got I bought the wrong one.
You see how he put this and what he look? He said,
No, I was just shocked. I thought you did.
Nah,
I did
bought them,
too. I
got
did
the
too,
wrong one.
DJ. I thought he did too. See, he didn't feel good by saying that. He
Actually,
said,
no, I
he
can't.
took a deep breath on that one. He said,
Nah, actually, I got the wrong parts in my car too for the rotors. They were too big.
You can't take them back, right?
No, that's kind of on me because I took too long to get it put on. Damn.
yeah, see them things right there?
Oh, no.
See them things right there? Yes, sir.
I mean.
Oh no. I know. You good? You don't need to stick no way there. You said no. Oh.
Hey, yo, Q, cook it up.
Yato.